Okay guys, so we got the first side, or the passenger side here. Got it kind of put together, and I'll show you what it looks like. There we go. It's sitting in there. Still needs to be tightened up. That's tight. But there's a spring. You can see it sitting down in that spring perch. But yeah, I mean, it goes right in there. Now, what I didn't show is, I'll go over here and show you. So, see how that's kind of smooth on the backside and stuff? Really long off the bushing there. Well, these, they got a little more meat on them, so you gotta clean that up a little bit. I usually cut, quarter inch or so off it and smooth it around. If not, you'll get some rubbing and squeaking and stuff. And then of course, you gotta get these two holes drilled. And you can see I got them marked. That's all the real fab work you have to do on these. You have to clean that back side, and you gotta drill those two holes there. And of course, take that notch off. Now I'll show you something over here that I did. Now, a lot of people say you just want to take off the rubber bumper that's right here. But what I do is I cut this spring pocket way up here. Let's see if we can get a good picture of this. I cut that spring pocket pretty deep because I've actually had it hit. So it's kind of up to you if you want to do it or not. But that's the way I do it. I'm gonna get this side, get a spring in it and stuff, and get it ready, and then I can put the new shocks in. Excuse me. And put the new shocks in and start doing the new spindles. This will go together a lot quicker. I mean, I got just a little fab work to do. I've already drilled out the hangers for the lower control arm, so they accept the 3/4 inch bolt. So we're gonna get this done today. Hopefully soon. Shouldn't take me too much longer, just bolting everything together. And then I can get the tires and put on it and drop it down. We'll see how low this thing really got.